Welcome Speak Easy English.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, please have a seat.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this place. The coffee is amazing.
Really? This is my first time here.
So, what do you do?
I work as a graphic designer.
Wow! That sounds creative.
What about you?
I'm a student. I'm studying English.
That's nice. Learning English is very useful. Do you like reading books?
Yes. I read novels in English to practice.
Good idea. I watch English movies for practice.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here. Maybe we can meet again.
Sure, see you soon.